Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's Macaris Cakes here. If it's your first time here, like you just click this video for the first time, you're welcome. And it's nice to have you here on my channel. Thank you so much for joining this family. And if you're my old returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch all my videos, right? Guys, as you can see here on my table, I have some ingredients here, and in this video guys, I'll be showing you all how I make my classic and yummy delicious carrot banana bread. So guys, if it is something you're really interested to watch, I want you all to sit back, relax and enjoy this video to the end. Do not go away. Okay guys, welcome back. So let's get straight into this video. So the first thing you need to do is get some of your fresh bananas and then you mash it into pieces. You can use a fork or you can use this manual whisk I'm using here, but if you're doing much quantity, it's much better you use a standing mixer. Okay guys, kindly note that your bananas has to be well ripe enough.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain all of a sudden.
For me, I do not like to see the chunks of bananas in my carrot banana bread. So if you're the same person like me, you can try to mash your bananas properly. So I'm adding my melted margarine here. I use melted margarine for my carrot banana bread, but you can also use unsalted butter as well. But if you cannot afford unsalted butter, you can use melted margarine. And trust me guys, the outcome of this banana bread is super amazing. So whether you use melted unsalted butter or you use the melted margarine, the result is still the same.
In an ashtray, I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we can.
So I am going to sieve my flour properly. Make sure that you try to sieve your flour probably 2 to 3 times, okay? And also I have added some of my good dry ingredients into my flour, which is the baking powder, the baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Okay, please, for the recipe, kindly check the description of this video. I get so many questions about recipe. I'm like, is it that you guys don't check the description? Please, before you come to the comment section to ask me of the recipe, please check the description of this video. Okay,
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong.
so guys, after you've mixed your wet ingredient properly, you need to combine it into your dry ingredients. So your dry ingredient is the flour, baking soda, and likes of it. Okay, please be aware that your wet ingredient consists of the mashed bananas, your sugar, your vegetable oil, and your butter, and of course your eggs. Okay, so that's for your wet ingredient. So when you try to combine this wet ingredient into your dry ingredient, the next thing you need to add is your fresh grated carrot. Please do not, when you're trying to grate your carrots, do not use the bigger teeth. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. So you need to use the smaller teeth of the grater, or you can also use food processor to grate your carrot. Okay, so this is how the carrot should look like when you're doing yours. So by the time you add the carrots, you can now as well fold it gently. For my grated carrot, I don't think I have any measurement for this. I didn't really measure it, but I just used my discretion. So you can as well use yours, or form or try to form your own measurements. That's the grated carrot measurement. Okay, I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. So by the time you add the carrots, you now fold it properly with your spatula. So what you saw there was the flavor I was adding. Yeah, I added my vanilla flavor as well. So try to fold properly and avoid over folding. When you notice that the flour is no more showing in the batter, then you can stop.
Away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
As you can see here, guys, whenever I'm measuring anything batter, I always like to use my scale so that so as for me to get a proper equal measurement. Okay, so you can as well do same to yours, which is your cake batter and the likes of it. So my kawa banana bread is super ready and it's about to enter the oven.
As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday.
So this is the outcome of this carrot banana bread. Please, if you've watched this video to this parts here and you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for, guys? Consider clicking the subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you can be the first person to get notified whenever I upload a video on this channel. It's very important for you to subscribe to my channel, guys. It's free. This is your own way of supporting me on this channel. So this is the result of the banana bread. As you can see, guys, I just love the outcome. I love the taste. In fact, this carrot banana bread is super yummy, and it's even different from my normal classic banana bread I normally do. So I have different procedure for the classic normal banana bread, but this one here is my best seller, and I decided to bring it here for you guys to learn from it. Okay, so you can even use this, you can sell this on a daily basis, at least to make more income for your business. I don't know if you guys have watched one of my previous video where I talk about selling something like this to make more income. If you've not, I'm going to put the link towards the end of this video so you can even watch it as well. So consider trying to sell this. It will help you raise more income or more turnover in your business. Okay, so guys, this is the result of the banana bread, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please, if you do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Also like this video as well. Okay, so guys, please, I want to beg you for something. Please watch my ads on this video. It's very important for you to help me watch my ads on this video. Do not skip the ad. Even if you want to skip the ad, at least watch for at least 30 seconds. Thank you so much for your support. Also, do not forget to share this video to your different social media cake group. Okay, once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade